Solve the equation 7y minus 12 is equal to 2 brackets 3 minus y. So here we're solving an equation with y on both sides and a bracket on one side. So the first step would be to in fact expand this bracket here. So we'll write down 7y minus 12, and that's going to be 2 times 3, which is 6, and then 2 times minus y, which is minus 2y. Remember, when we do equations, whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other. Now, the technique here, you've got 7y and minus 2y, is to look for the smaller one, which is minus 2y, and then add that to both sides. So 7y plus 2y makes 9y, still got minus 12, is equal to 6, and then minus 2y plus 2y gives you nothing. Right, the next step would be to do the opposite of subtracting 12, which is to add 12 to both sides. So on this side we get 9y, minus 12 plus 12, which is nothing, and then 6 plus 12, which makes 18. And then the final step will be to divide both sides by 9. So dividing both sides of the equation by 9, we're going to get y on this side. 9y divided by 9 is y. 18 divided by 9 is 2. So we get an answer of y is equal to 2. So this has been a video to show you how to solve a linear equation where y, the unknown, is on both sides and one side has a bracket on it. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.